in Matthew 11, verses 28 to 30, Jesus Christ says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." As we listen to this song, the Lord is exhorting us to leave all our burdens, to come taste the bread of life, which is broken for sinners, to give up everything that we considered as gain in this world, trade them for the everlasting kingdom. Most of all, He exhorts us to take up our cross and follow Him. Let us listen to the song, "Come unto Jesus."